is an annual compilation of information, things that are of interest to people. And so in the case of the Farmer's Almanac, it is an annual publication, and it contains calendars, information, weather, but useful information. And that's why people enjoy the Farmer's Almanac, because they can get it every year, and it's got information that's of use to them. And that's what an almanac is. I'm the editor and the owner of the Farmer's Almanac, primarily because my father was. Ray Geiger was the editor from 1935 through 1994, so for 60 years, and then it passed on to me, and I was his assistant from 1979. So I've had over 40 years of involvement with the Farmer's Almanac, and hope to continue that tradition for as long as I live. Yeah, I have two favorite editions of the Farmer's Almanac. So I've been involved for over 40 years, but my first favorite edition is the 1995 edition, and that's primarily because it's the first one that I edited, and we expanded it from a 48-page almanac to a 100 some odd pages, and started to sell at retail. So we have multiple editions of the almanac. And we also expanded the weather to zones, and so there's more weather in this almanac than in prior ones. My second favorite is actually the 200th edition of the almanac in 2017. And this one I love because I actually sat in a room for a week and just read every edition, and I took little gems from each one. So in the back of this edition is a section of wit from all of the almanacs, from all of the years. And so this is my ultimate favorite almanac, 2017. It was a 200th edition for us. Okay, one of my favorite tips that I don't use every day, but whenever I break an egg on the floor, on the counter, all I do is take out the shells, and then I cover it with salt, sweep it up, and it's gone. No mess.